Hello Hungry Fam and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to test Dubai's most viral food trend of paratha burger and check if it's a hit or a miss. Before starting the video, like, comment, share and please subscribe to our channel. It means a lot. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Read Hunger Plans. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. Instagram के reels में देख के ये बहुत ही easy लग रहा है बनाना दुबई पराठा burger. But let's see कैसे बनता है. These are all the ingredients we will need. Honestly, the prep is a little intense. Chopping veggies, making the dough, rolling out the parathas, making aloo tikkis. It already looks like a lot. But I have a hack to make it quick. I'm taking a little help from my V-Guard Massivo food processor. First, I'm making the dough. ये एक तो normal पराठा नहीं है. It's लच्छा पराठा. तो dough must soft and elastic होना चाहिए. It shouldn't be too stiff, not too sticky. Normally kneading this dough takes forever, but this is where the food processor comes in handy. Let's assemble the food processor first. जो करना काफी simple है. Just attach the kneading blade. Now in the food processor itself, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon each of sugar and salt. Finally, add half teaspoon of baking powder. Close it with the lid. Adjust the speed slightly. Then slowly add 100 ml of water and let it knead. It has precision speed control, so it turns out perfect every time. I get a soft, even dough in minutes without even getting my hands sticky. I'm also adding a dash of oil and kneading the dough for just 30 seconds. इससे ना dough extra soft बन जाता है. Let's take it out. You can clearly see how elastic the dough is. Let it rest for at least 30 minutes. तब तक हम patty बना लेते हैं. I've already boiled the potatoes and kept them to cool down. Till then, let's finally chop some veggies. Again, हाथ से करने में काफी time जाएगा, so obviously to make it easier, now I'm attaching the chopping blade. Add peeled onions and just turn it on. Look at how it makes everything so quick and uniform. It's neat, precise and saves a lot of time. अब carrot और beetroot को grate करना है. Let's assemble the grating blade. ये chopping और kneading blade से थोड़ा अलग है, but very handy and easy to use. पहले I'll add the carrots and grate it. Wow, that literally took 10 seconds. मैंने कब 2 carrots grate कर लिए समझ भी नहीं आया. Again कितना evenly grate हुआ है. These carrots will add nice sweetness and balance out the spices in the patty. Now let's grate 1 beetroot. इसका मैंने skin peel करके half में cut करके add किया है. Beetroot will add a nice color to the patty. ये multi-function attachments काफी convenient and super easy to clean है. Now let's add 2 boiled potatoes in a bowl. Mash it using a potato masher. Then add 1 teaspoon chopped garlic, 1 chopped chili, half cup of evenly cut onions, 1/4 cup each of grated carrots and beetroots, half teaspoon each of red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala and salt as per taste. Mix it अच्छे से. See how easily and quickly the aloo tikki prep is done, all thanks to its sharp stainless steel blades. This is the first time making a viral recipe has felt this easy and stress-free. Literally done in seconds. No sore hands, no mess. Mast patty का mixture is ready. Color भी काफी अच्छा आया है. Now shape it like a patty using your hands only. Smoothen out the edges. Then add oil in a pan. Once it's hot, place the patty and shallow fry it from both the sides until it's nice and golden brown. The aroma is just irresistible. Now let's quickly make some green chutney. Normally the burger sauce use करते हैं, but this is totally my personal touch. As all the prep went so smooth, I thought making homemade chutney would just elevate the dish even more. Now I'm using the food processor blending jar. Add 1 cup each of coriander, mint leaves, 2 to 3 green chilies, 4 garlic pods, 1 inch ginger, half teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon jeera, salt, lemon juice and a bit of water. Place it on the food processor. Now adjust the speed and blend into smooth consistency. These sharp stainless steel blades are making the chutney silky smooth in seconds. It's way better than to try and grind it manually. इतनी perfect chutney बनी है. It's not too runny, not too thick. Perfect for my burger. But to add more creaminess and richness, I'm going to add some mayo. Mix it very well and just keep it aside. Now the dough is well rested. Dust some flour on the countertop. Take half portion of the dough and roll it flat, almost up to 1/2 inch thickness. Apply ghee on top. dust some more flour and cut it into strips. ऐसे बीच से, don't cut it all the way through. Now roll these strips together like so. Stretch it out and दोनों साइड से ना अंदर के साइड पे रोल करना है. Then एक के ऊपर एक रख के just tap it a bit. Don't roll it out using a rolling pin. Just patty के size जितना we have to roll it. Then apply ghee on the pan and roast the parathas from both the sides until it's golden. Looks quite good. Let's take it out, and now the fun part. All the elements are ready. Let's assemble the burger paratha. Cut the paratha from the center. Looks cooked throughout. Apply the chutney mayo we made on both the sides. Place a lettuce leaf on one side, then place the prepared patty over it, and finally place a cheese slice and just close the burger. Wow, that looks exactly like any burger paratha you get in Dubai. Let's plate it up aesthetically. The layers look bang on. The lachha paratha, the veggie tikki, chutney, lettuce and cheese. It's basically street food at home. I was actually dreading to try this recipe, but making it with my Massivo food processor made it feel less daunting. Right from kneading the dough to chopping, grating and blending the chutney, it really does speed up the prep without any mess. Makes the whole cooking experience so much more enjoyable. The taste is just amazing. The entire combination goes beautifully together. Surprisingly, the lachha paratha is a good bun option. It's crispy from the outside yet soft from the inside, and it soaks up the chutney very well. The patty has a depth of flavor. Chutney obviously adds nice freshness and flavor. The lettuce is very crunchy and the cheese ties everything together. I absolutely love this Dubai's paratha burger. Do try it yourself to know how good it is and let me know your feedback. Today's shout out goes to Divyak from Andhra Pradesh. If you want a shout out, all you have to do is like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook @HungerPlans. Also comment a burger emoji to get a special shout out. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.